안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite stew recipe. It's Kongbiji, or also known as PG recipe. This stew is made with ground soybeans. This is a soybean, dried soybean that is used to make a light soy sauce or doenjang, Korean soybean paste. I soaked the dried soybean overnight for about 6 hours. The volume is going to expand almost twice. And today, I'll be using this to make a stew. Traditionally, this stew was made using soy pulp from tofu making. However, in modern cooking, it's more commonly prepared with finely ground soaked soybeans. Start by cutting the napa cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Place them into a pot. Lightly season with salt and set aside. Next, I want to make the sauce that takes this stew to another level. Chop the green onion and combine it with dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, or soup soy sauce, toasted sesame seeds, and gochugaru, Korean chili flakes. Add water, mix well, and finish with a generous splash of sesame oil. Place the soaked soybeans into a blender cup. Add water and blend it. I like to leave a bit of texture in the soybean mixture, but if you prefer it smooth, just blend it thoroughly. Adjust the consistency by adding a few tablespoons of water. It should have a dropping texture, not too thick and not too runny. Okay, pour the soybean mixture over the cabbage and roughly mix them. Then bring it to a gentle boil for about 5 minutes. Add sliced green onion and stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and burning. Add a big pinch of salt and drizzle a little bit of sesame oil. No need to overcook it. A gentle boil for around 5 minutes is just right. Turn off the heat and scoop it into a bowl and serve it with the prepared sauce on the side. Add a spoonful of the sauce when eating. The trick of this recipe is to make a nice consistency, perfect consistency, using soybean and water. Don't make it too dry. And also, don't make it too liquidy. Please follow the recipe.